guys, it's VertiBugs Gaming, and today we are doing a Jailbreak glitch episode with Ikran. What's up?
Yo, what's up, everyone?
Was that you on the trampoline?
Oh, dude, I'm coming now.
I'm in the yard. So today we're gonna be showing you a few glitches. One that's really helpful if you can't buy rocket fuel, and you may think that I'm showing you the penguin speed glitch. It does not work anymore. I know the snowman got unpatched. I hope they unpatch this penguin stomach thing and make the hitbox normal so we can use it again. Because that was actually that used to be a feature. That was the whole point of the penguin. That was the reason why they created the penguin package. It said slide around in games, and Roblox nominated it. Dude, over here, follow me, dude. Punt. Oh gee! No! Break me out! Help.
Oh, you how do you actually break out? Like,
Now, why am I always the one that doesn't get breaking out? You walk up to them and click E.
Okay.
It's almost like pickpocketing, but it just says break out when you walk up to a criminal that's arrested or a prisoner. Some prisoners you're not able to. They weren't actually guilty and somehow they got arrested. Then you can't break them out. It's weird. But we were guilty because we were punching the box. Are you still up there? Dude, where are you? Go to the exploding wall. Exploding wall.
Wait, I'm by the police door. I'm gonna punch down the box.
Wait. Go. Go, run. Flip. Run.
Oh, dude, you really locked me.
E. No!
Oh,
Okay, we're going at the exploding wall.
hate that, right?
Dude, we literally have been exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We've been trying to escape the prison for 2 minutes and 2 minutes and 40 seconds. How did you get out?
I did a glitch.
Oh yeah, that glitch?
I just randomly.
Yeah, like that? I did it too. You just have to crawl and then click I and O. Or zoom in and zoom out.
Oh, dude.
Exploding wall. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. If you guys have a game you guys want me to play with you or just on the channel, leave it down below in the comment section down below. 2 likes equals another episode of Booga Booga. And 3 likes on this episode equals another Jailbreak vid. Run!
Oh. No, it closed on me.
Punch it. Run. Come on. Go for your flipping life. There's cops coming. Go! Get through. Get in.
Do you have a key card?
Nope, we don't need a key card. You jump like this and jump onto there. You can jump up on there.
Oh, well, I did it. That was easy. You drive, dude. I suck at driving.
Okay, so let's get over here. And then which one glitch should we show them first? The flying thingy? Or should we do the jewelry glitch? Should we save that for last or should we do that first? Do it first or last?
I'll save that for last.
Okay, we're gonna show you 1 or 2 glitches before we show you the glitch this whole episode is meant to be about. So just be patient and watch the whole vid. If you guys have any friends that you know like this kind of content, or you have any relatives that watch Roblox YouTubers, tell them to subscribe, tell them to like the video, and tell them to comment down below what they want me to play. So first off, we have to get the ATV. I have mobile garage. Get on. I wonder if the first. This is not part of the thing, but if you guys want, there's wall climbing. You back up and click V, not V, not. Here, I'll show you on this small building, so it doesn't take time. This is. I know everybody knows this. You go like that, basically. So let's get over to the jewelers. Yes, he's being robbed. Score. So glitch number one. Okay, Icon, glitch number 1. Let's get up here. Dude, come on. We probably should have got guns. This probably not smart.
Yeah, dude, we really need guns.
There's no cop. We're good. Come on. First off is, it is easier to do with a friend. You crawl over here. Icon, stand in front of the door.
Stand in front of the door, okay, yeah.
Am I crawling? There. Hold on.
Not working. Dude, let me try this.
Did it patch this? Here, you try it. Crawl over here. I can crawl like this. Just crawl right here. Then make it so that you're face this like this. Okay. Then make it so that you're looking towards your butt, like looking towards the way your legs are and everything. And then click I. And then zoom in all the way. The guy left again. Are you flipping? I think they patched this. Oh no, they didn't. That's just weird. I guess my penguin package does. Oh, it's my tail that doesn't let me do it. Normally, if you walk over right here and do it right where I'm standing, at the very edge where the door is. Normally open the door. So let's go over and find another glitch to show you.
Okay, then 3, 1.
No, but I think they patched it. They must have patched it. So many people were using.
Look over, you can kind of rip me the wall.
Wait, you can still do that?
Yeah,
I've never been able to do that.
Dude, there's another one where it's like you do it with this like this and then you quickly turn it off to show you.
Yeah, I know, you do that out the wall and it only opens the door. Come on. I guess that glitch doesn't work anymore. Okay, let's get over to my penguin glitch. I can come on. Whee! Jumping. Okay, so if you guys watch Craigcraft, you probably might know this glitch. So that's where I got the idea to do this video from, but we're not gonna be doing what he did. What he did was not Craigcraft. Napkinnate and Gooby and Papa Gooby is his name, but his real name is Gooby really in the game normally, but he changed his username to Papa Gooby. Napkinnate's channel, he released one of flying motorcycle glitch with the snowman package, and he said no other package could do it. I'm here to prove him wrong right now, and also to show you guys that you can get, because the penguin package is 300, and the gentle snowman is 400. So this is less Robux to buy, and this is harder. This is kind of harder to control when you do this glitch. But watch, it probably is easier to do on snowman, but the snowman costs more Robux. I couldn't get on. I couldn't get on. Icon. 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 I guess what the flip. Okay. Icon. Icon. Hold on, let me quickly call him. Okay, so guys, this is how you do the glitch. You like this, jump C. You do like try doing the. You know how when you guys you do jump C E, like, ah. You go like this, and then you click. If you don't want to go that high, go like this. And then if you want to go pretty high and then be able to actually control it properly, click S and V. S V S V S V S V S V S V S V S V. And then no. Oops. Okay, let's get back on here. Okay, SV. Yeah, that's not on right. Okay, S and V. And then you keep getting higher and higher. Once you get high enough, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Okay, let's go like this. We have to get a little bit higher, a little bit after the clouds, and then you should be able to control it. Hold on. I'm gonna get a little higher. See? And you just click W and V, and then you can steer it up here. And then going down. Okay, and that's it for you guys today. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn post notifications, and leave